Hello dear friend, there is an update for Kdenlive. No, Kdenlive 25.04.2 is available for downloading, dear friend. If you use Kdenlive for your video editing, don't forget to download this update. After this update, your Kdenlive will be more stable. There are more bugs, fixes, and stability. You know, some months ago we had major update for Kdenlive. We have already background removal features in Kdenlive. Can see better audio experience. But when we were removing the background of our video, there were some inconsistencies and problems. So in this update, there is a more refined background removal features here. You can read. Remember the title editor window width. No, Kdenlive can remember the editor window width. Fixed audio thumbnails have an offset in long files, and now better feedback when auto marks fail. Sometimes I had problem auto marks fails, and we couldn't actually improve that. But after this, I think this problem may not occur again. So Kdenlive is the one of the best video editing software, the best and the most advanced open source video editing software, dear friend. If you want to donate, don't forget to donate here. Come to donate page. From here you can follow all the process etc, and you can donate here. After that, if you are a developer, if you want to contribute to Kdenlive, come here and you can see this programming language. You can contribute to Kdenlive for the further developments with our support. Here you can read all everything. So we come to download page here, and here you can read all the bug fixes are here. And now we will download Kdenlive here, dear friend. Come to download pages. Follow all the steps in this tutorial, dear friend. We will download Kdenlive 25.04.2, and we will see the subtitles generation and speech recognition features in Kdenlive. You know, in Kdenlive, you can generate the subtitles, customize subtitle, and you can edit your video using speech recognition features, same like DaVinci Resolve or Premiere Pro or any proprietary software. Whatever you do, you can do in Kdenlive. In today's tutorial, we will download and see this speech recognition model and subtitles tools. How we can use this tool for our speech recognition. It is, dear friend. Choose Kdenlive according to your system. If you are on Linux, just go for your according to your machine here. You can choose any file here. For Mac OS, Silicon, Intel, according to your system and architecture, choose here. And I am on Windows 11. I want to choose installable only. You can go for a standalone version, but I want this save on default. Okay. Now we are downloading Kdenlive. This is the very lightweighted software. Very soon we will be inside Kdenlive and we will see this speech recognition subtitle generating features in Kdenlive today. Okay, we have downloaded and we come to our file here and just right click here and you can just click or run it as administrator here. Run Kdenlive. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click yes. Now next. Welcome to Kdenlive setup wizard here. Just click next. Install for anyone using this computer. Yes, next. Next. Everything will be next. Install. Now we are ultimately installing Kdenlive here. Okay, finish. Now we have installed Kdenlive. Now you can see we are in the new version of Kdenlive 25.0.04.2 here. Okay, we have entered Kdenlive here, and you can see this. We have so neat and clean interface here. If you want to use speech editor, subtitle generating features here, you can see speed editor we have. But for this, you have to come here. When you download, if you have default Kdenlive, it may not be visible to you. Just come to view, file, edit, view here. In view here, you can see here all the extra features are available here, and here we have a speech editor. We can anytime unclick. If we unclick, nothing is visible here. But if we want a speech editors here, just come here to click speed editor. Now we have this speed editor here, and this is the subtitles generation here. In the same way, you can unclick. Now we have no subtitle, so we come to view again we can click and subtitle window will appear here. So we have this subtitle window and we have a speech editor, and this is our project view. We can directly drag to Kdenlive. We have several tutorial how to export, how to import file etc. Come to our folder here. In OBS we have this Kdenlive tutorial clip. Here we just drag to project bin. This is the project bin where we can directly drag, and you can switch clip to your default. I have 4K video 30 fps. We just click here. We have here this window, preview window, and we can anytime customize this. You can decrease, increase length etc. We can decrease the make window bigger for our good view. Okay, project here clip, and we just drag to directly to our timeline. You see here we have timeline, just we drag here. Okay, now we have timeline here, and we come to speech editor here. You see we have a speech editor. Come here, we have a speech recognition. You have to download the module. I have already made tutorial how to download the speech recognition and subtitle generating dependencies for Kdenlive. In the next episode I will download to YouTube, so follow my channel and you will successfully install all the dependencies, Pythons, and other open AI, whisper AI models etc. for Kdenlive. And now we come here. You can see here for generating subtitle. You see here, point here, here. You have to just drag here. Just make it bigger, like you see, for our timeline, because we want to create subtitle and generate speech recognition to edit and make subtitle etc. here, and everything is okay. Now come here. You see here, edit subtitle tool. Here audio mixer, we have audio mixer. We don't need it now. We just click here. We have already subtitles track here. This is subtitle track, and this is our normal track. You see here, and we can extend and compress this. You see, extend and make it smaller. Okay, minimize, maximize our track here. You see, minimize our track, and anytime we can maximize. Okay, it's a better way. So now we come here to generate our subtitle. Here you can see speech recognition. Just click here, it will recognize your speech. And we have turbo model, I have already downloaded. And here you can see I want full project here, generate speech to text for all tracks. You can select your timeline. If you have timeline zone, I want to select all full, and you can anytime select this timeline zone selected. You can also, it will work, but I take this full project. Okay, and we just click here process. Now you see here we are pro speech starting speech recognition. It will take some time and very fast it will generate. Okay, you can see very fast we have generated subtitle. Hello dear friend, if this class is useful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Nowadays I am working hard, but my channel is not growing due to the algorithm of YouTube. But you can make it possible just by liking, subscribing, writing a comment, and even you can share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. This tutorial may be very useful to them. I am very much tired nowadays, very much demotivated. Motivate me, dear friend. Without wasting time, let's jump into the other settings of Kdenlive's feature here. Subtitle imported. Okay, close, and now you can see we have subtitle here. Hello dear friend, there is a major update for Kdenlive. Now Kdenlive 25.04.1 is available for downloading, dear friend. So you see it's so accurate, and now we can customize a subtitle. For customizing, we come to track. Always select this track now, and here you see the subtitles window we have. Anytime you can click and click from here. It has disappeared, and I want to click this. Just okay, now we have selected here, and you have to apply to track every time. If you want to apply to single track, and you can apply any color, change the color, font etc to single sentence here, only this part. But I want to apply to all this track here, everywhere I want to apply. We just come here, and now we come here to change the font etc. So you can see here we have bold, italic, underline. Okay, I want bold. Okay, we have bold font here. Now we come here to change the color etc. For changing color, you see font, you can change the position, in point, duration you can add. Okay, but very important thing is to change the style here. We can style it. Once you click, so we have already here, we can customize our text subtitles here. And now we come here to add bold. Okay, now we have bold here, and text color, we want to take something. Okay, here like this color. Okay, I like this color. Okay, and from here you can change the font etc. Here you can see any font you can take, and I put it on default only. And now I want to take a secondary. This is the main color and red color is a secondary. You can choose any color from here or from here you can choose. Okay. And now we want to add outline. So we can add point here. You see outline 3 points. It will be okay. Now everything is okay. Background, if you want to add background default, box as outline, box as shadow, you can take. Okay. Box as shadow, we can take here. You can add rotation, left, right, margin, you can scale, etc. Here you can add alignment, button, top, which type you want to put your text. For example, top right, it will be on the top right here. Top left, it will be on the top left. Bottom left, bottom right. Okay, you try all these one by one. Everything is okay. Now we just click okay now. Now you can see here we have so beautifully generated here. 25.04.0 was released, but there were some problems when we used SAM. So so good, it's so good, dear friend. It's so free and premium software, open source. You can do a lots of things. That's why we must donate to Kdenlive, dear friend. Anytime you can come and change the style here. You can manage your style. If you have your style on computer, you can just take from here. You can create new style. We don't need this, and we can change here. We can anytime change outline here. We can take the color, outline color. We can take this outline color. Okay, yellow outline color, and we can make font bigger. And shadow color we can take anytime, change something. We take this color. Okay, and now try. So you can see now we have customized plugin for object segmentations. There was too much consumption. It's a good that you see it's also adding comma, full list of everything. And after generating subtitles, if you want to correct the sentence, just click here. Here you can correct. So I have no mistake here. You can see it's so accurate of memory, dear friends. This problem has been fixed. If you want to correct sentence here, just click here. Now we can correct anything, but I don't find any mistake here, so I will not correct. Okay. 5.0.4 here. So let's go for. So in this way, you can customize everything, and you can make your own customized subtitle etc in Kdenlive so easily. Now come here to transcribe. This is speech editor, and we can transcribe and we can edit video on the basis of text, because text editing is a very intuitive and your workflow will be very fast after this class. So we come here, transcribe. Now we are transcribing, starting speech recognition. So it will recognize all the sentences will be available here. Just wait. Or it has detected my language English here. You can see speech recognition finished. So fast we have generated speech recognition, and whatever I have spoken, it has been already displayed here with time code etc. I can reach anywhere where I have spoken. I have spoken this sentence here, and I can reach, for example, where I have spoken this problem. We just click problem. So you see here, no play problems. Now you see where we have spoken release. Released, but there were. So you can see segmentations. Anywhere you can several problems. If you have mistake and you want to delete, and you can reach there and delete. For example, I want to delete this fixed. Now we have selected, and here you see delete. It will be delete selection, and it will be deleted fixed in this. So you can delete from here. So you can see here we have create a new sequence with edit. So we can create new sequence. We can select here anything we can select here. You can see, and now we can create a new sequence with text edit. Okay, which we can track other. We can choose track and okay. So we have just a created sequence here. You can see here sequence. So you this way you can try, dear friend. I just return here. Okay, I just want to show you how you can do such a fantastic things in Kdenlive. It's a good that if you want to mark anywhere in sentence directly through speed editor, because otherwise you will have to listen the whole video. For example, I want to mark here problems, where we have problems here. You see, I want to add marker so that I could add some text etc. We have selected this problem, and now we come here to marker. This is actually marker. You see here, add marker. So we add marker, it will mark. So I have this problem. What is here? I can add when I will start editing. Problems which have. So you see, we have problem here. problems which so it's a good that you can do a lots of things using this text recognition features, subtitle creating feature. So you see we have marked here, and there is one good features that I want to just select some part of the video whole. I don't want to take whole video cut. So for example, I want this part here. You see from here to here, only this part of the video. We just select this part. First we take this our timeline here. I want to put here. So we have selected this part, and now we come here plus icon here and just extend this, and now you see insert selection in timeline. You see, so we have inserted here only this sentence here. Now we can use for editing for our various purposes. We can use the problem has been fixed. There are also several problems which have been fixed in this update, dear friend. Without these features, you would have to listen all the video, then cut the video, then copy and drag here and paste here. So you see it's so easy. So you can do a lots of things using this same. We have added marker here, okay, and here you see save edited text in a playlist file. So we have edited this text here, and we can save here in file here. For example, save edited file here. You can name, you can mention your folder here, any folder, F drive, E drive, anywhere if you want, and just open and save, rename, and it will be saved. Okay, it's a so good features. And after that, create a new sequence with this. Create new sequence with edit. You can add a new sequence with edit. You can increase font here from here. Font. You can decrease font here. Here remove non-speech zones. You can remove non-speech zone from here directly. And now you can see here when you click here, you see we have in the major update of Kdenlive good audio waveform here. It's a good for complex editing. When you have big project and you want to edit every minute points from here, you can split and cut. This feature is more refined after this update, and here you can click here, you can make bigger. You see bigger, anytime you can make it bigger. So use for your production purposes. This is a really a good feature. In the last update of Kdenlive, already the background removal features has been added. Means you can mark any part of the video and you can use it to remove the background and other things in the background. You can do in Kdenlive with the help of these AI features. You have to download SAM2 plugin. I have already tutorial in the playlist. Go and see how to download and configure and use for your purposes, for this purposes. So after this update, there will be more stability for this SAM2 plugins, and now we have more stable audio waveform. We meet in the next class with some other new episode of Kdenlive. Take care. Bye.